My first IPSY Plus came. I'm excited. Welcome you guys. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and giveaways. I do have a monthly giveaway that's going on right now. I'll put that in the description box down below. Also, when this channel hits 200 subscribers and subsequently 300, 400, yada, as we grow, each 100 until 1,000, we are going to be doing huge giveaways for each 100 that we get, and then we'll have more milestone giveaways after that. If you are new to the IPSY Plus, so it's $25 a month, ships out monthly. The products are personalized for you. There's usually about 5 products in here, full size, and there's over $120 value. So let's dive in. So when you get it, comes like this. It's all, there's a card that talks about all the different products, and then all the products are in here underneath this foam. So the first products I am pulling out are the ILLAMASQUA colored pencils. There are 2 of them. They are $21 each. They are in the color Lust and Media. Look like this, kind of a rose colored, I would say here, like a mauve rose, and then a little deeper, more of a burgundy color here. And because there's nothing worse than lipstick that feathers, bleeds, and smudges, it's time to incorporate a lip pencil into your routine. ILLAMASQUA super pigmented lip pencil shades. Lust is a coral pink. So that's what they are saying this one is. And then the cranberry red is your Media. They lock your lipstick in place all day and add a tone of dimension. Your tip is before applying lipstick, line your lips with the pencil and fill them in to lock the color into place all day. You can even overline for fuller looking lips. For an ombre effect, apply a lip liner over the lipstick in a lighter shade. Just trace the outside of your lips and blot. This is the Media one. Here is the Lust shade. I'm not gonna swatch them. I am going to be putting these in one of those giveaways that I talked about. I just have a weird thing. I know it's silly, but it's a stupid thing of mine where I don't like putting wooden pencils products on my eyes or my lips. So I'll be putting these in a giveaway for you guys. By Wander Beauty. I've tried a lot of their skincare and mascara. I have not tried an eyeshadow yet of theirs. This is the Wanderess Seascape eyeshadow palette. Retails for $25. And this Wander Beauty is a 6pan eyeshadow palette that can transport you to the tropics for a lot less than a plane ticket. Although right now, cooler weather is still kind of going on in May in the Northwest. I'll take that plane ticket. Anyway, it's loaded with a mix of foil, shimmery, satin, and matte finishes in shades of sea foam, deep blue, sandy brown, sea salt pink, and warm golds. These pigmented shadows infused with skin-loving ingredients can create endless looks on and off the beach. Ooh, how pretty. Here is what they look like. Let's swatch a couple of these. This coastal blue is really drawing me in. And then this golden reef. So let's swatch these 2. So you do have, so this is that champagne color. This is the pink sea salt. There is the golden reef metallic. Here is your matte, and that is sand dollar. You do have a shimmer in seafoam, and then this blue is coastal, and this blue might be a matte as well. May have a little bit of shimmer, but not a whole lot. So let's swatch this golden reef and coastal. Here is coastal on the finger. It does look very matte. There's what it kind of looks like. You can kind of build it up from there. And then this golden reef is really calling my name. And let's do that pink sea salt too. So here is the golden reef. Ooh, that's really, really, really pretty. And then here is that sea salt. You can barely kind of tell it's right here. So if you are new to my channel, I do reviews where I review eyeshadow palettes, and I will put together multiple looks for you guys and walk you through those. So look for this one in an upcoming video doing just that. Ooh, I love YENSA. So here is their Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. Retails for $35. It is 1 fluid ounce and 30 milligrams. Ever wonder how some beauty junkies have luminous skin, both barefaced and made up? Those of us who have to work for a glow can turn to this YENSA primer for help. Infused with black tea, shiitake mushrooms, chia seed, and more nourishing ingredients. It helps correct and blur fine lines, pores, and even skin texture, all while giving you a subtle highlight. You smooth evenly over clean skin before makeup to increase the staying power of your favorite foundation. Or you can skip the makeup altogether and use the primer as a final step to your skincare routine. And I have done that a lot. So I actually, I got a sample size of this, and so here's the sample that I previously have, and then this is the full size that we just got. And I've been loving this, so I'm super excited to get this full size. You know, I love using it on days where I'm not wearing a lot of makeup, and just using this basically as that final step. And it does work really well as a primer underneath the makeup. In fact, I have it on right now because I've been testing this out, so this is great. Love getting a full size. From Face Hero is a powerful and protective face oil. It's 1 fluid ounce, retails for $34, and it's a multitasking, good for you cocktail of natural ingredients that comes to the rescue of hydrating parched skin. Who doesn't have parched skin going on right now? At least I know I do. It's brightening dull complexions and soothing inflammation. It also helps to combat fine lines, dark spots, early signs of aging, and no worries about residue. Here's looking at you oily and combination complexions. I'm a combination girl, so I think I'm gonna love this. Your skin will soak it up quickly. You massage 5 drops onto clean skin after your daily serum and before your moisturizer. I always put my oils on after the moisturizer because it can penetrate that. Otherwise, your moisture just sits on top and has a hard time penetrating through the oils. So, mix a few drops into your dollop of your favorite moisturizer. Maybe mix the two together and massage onto your skin for an all-day hydration. I might try that one out. You always want to put your oils on last, in my opinion. And so maybe mixing it with the moisturizer might work. I'll give that one a go and let you know what I think. Does look like this. And it is a dropper. And here's your oils. The last product in here, I don't know if I'm going to pronounce right. ILLAMASQUA, ILL_MAKIAGE. It is their Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. Retails for $25. It is 8 milliliters and 0.27 of a fluid ounce, made in Italy. When you can't be bothered to fumble with falsies, which I don't use falsies that often unless I'm going to some big event because I suck at putting them on. And we'll be here like an hour trying to put them on. So, reach for the mascara that plumps up your natural lashes minus the messy glue. This football-shaped silicone brush grips and coats even the tiniest of lashes, lifting, curling, and lengthening all at once. Tip starting at the base of your lashes, wiggle the wand in an upward motion from root to tip for extra length and volume. Want even more drama? Apply as many coats as you want without fear of clumping. Plus, it's lightweight, so it won't weigh your lashes down. I do like that it's lightweight. It'll be interesting to see if it is a runny formula or not, because if it's a little bit runny, I have like super long eyelashes, just natural. They're not very thick or anything, but they're light colored, so I have to use a mascara. But if it's a really wet formula and I blink, I will look like I'm a football player with a big black smear going on under here. So I am anxious to try this one out. I hope it's not too wet of a formula. They're right in the football looking kind of applicator. So we will give this one a go. I want to say a huge shout out to IPSY first off, because every single one of these products are cruelty free. Yay! Love that. So the total retail value of this entire box was $155. Not bad for the $25 that you spent. We got the mascara. We got the lip liners. And I would say that these are probably my least favorite just because I don't like wooden pencils. The Face Hero, it'll be interesting to try. And then I think my two favorite products are the YENSA Tone Up Essential Glow, because I have used this before. Absolutely love, love, love this. And I'm anxious to try this, the Beauty Wanderess Seascape eyeshadows. Which were your favorites? Were we box twins if you guys get this? If you guys have used any of these products, let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It does mean a lot to me when you like and hit that subscription bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day and I will see you soon. Bye.